So in this video you're going to see us do a roof terrace conversion, okay? This is what it looks like now, and then this is the finished product. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment in below. Enjoy. Right, so we're just at our latest job that we're starting today, me and Parker here, bank holiday. So what we're doing is going to remove this cladding for a minute, because what we're doing, we're extending this window right through, putting a 4x4 steel post here, got steel going across here, and on the return here. So the window's going to extend right through to here, because we've got a lovely view of the sea. So it's going to basically, from inside, you can imagine from here, it's going to give them that whole view, where at the minute, right on this corner, they're restricted with their view because this is blocking it. And then all we've got to do today as well is just take all the internal stuff out, all the cladding, carpet, skirtings, ready to go back to bare, so we can plasterboard the whole lot and skim it all. All this is just nailed in here with some poly pins, so you just rip it off now, nice and easy, like so. Yeah. This corner trim was literally, I don't even know how it was on there. We just pulled it straight off, which means it's the perfect fit to stay there.
Clips in.
Oh.
Right, look.
Oh, there we go. Look, recess in there. That was it. Clipped on. So this is the internal. And remove all the old cladding all the way around. Like I said, extend these windows to that corner. I'm going to re-plasterboard the ceiling, plaster all the walls, all newly plastered. I'm going to alter this section here so we get some units in here, so the clients can have some stuff like that. Right, all back to bare. We're going to go over these existing timbers, plasterboard over that. Just look at the radiator moved. A few of the sockets and switches are getting moved, so we can get behind the timber that's already here. And that is it, until we get this all sorted. Right, so we finally got the windows for this job. So we've just taken all the OSB out that we've put up here temporarily. Boys are just quickly fitting this last timbering around here. So the height's raised up, we've got it ready for the internals. Right, we just want to quickly explain to you what toe and heel means on an opening window, okay? So Dan's going to explain to you here what it means and what he's doing.
So basically you're putting your two linear packers in this corner on your hinge side and the opposite corner on your opening sash, which then in turn will take the weight, counterbalance the weight with the glass and take the weight off the hinges, allowing the window to open smoothly.
So basically the weight will come down on this side here, and then it'll be spaced out here so it opens and closes properly. And that's how you toe and heel properly. So they come with these packers already. Then all you do then is space out. We've figured out over the time, it's usually a white packer which is about 3mm. Put that in there. And then what that does internally, we'll show you in a second, it means this rubber here is evenly spaced when you're looking from the glass back out. Just a little tip from Dan. So you do is push it in from the bottom, lift up, and then what we do now is going to pull it out here to adjust so we can get his spaces in the top. So what I'm going to do is pull it from here like that, and then Dan can get his packers in behind, as you can see. Alright mate?
Yeah, release that one. Oh, I need one on the top as well. Little tip for that, yeah? Wedge it back. Lift the bottom of the frame and it slots in easier.
That's a little tip, alright? You're struggling to get that in, lift up the frame. I'm down to take that inside now, just to check it works nicely, which it does. And then all you're going to do then, there you go, always triple check it before you fit the beads. Then what you're going to do now is start fitting up the beads. Always do, right, a little tip, is the shorter beads first, because there's not much flex on them. So the bigger ones, these longer ones, can pull out easier in the middle to get in place. Use a simple glazing hammer so you don't scratch up the beads in the windows or the glass. Dan's licking a little envelope there. And that's what you do. Right, so we've just fitted in the big pane of glass here, which Brandon's just going to quick wipe off. But that is now everything here completed. So we fitted the units the other day. As you can see, look at that view. It's absolutely roasting in now as well, because we've insulated all the walls. You've got also the glass coming in, the heat coming in from the glass. That's lovely. So what you had before is this area here was all blocked off with brick. There's a corner of the wall, so what we've put a 4x4 post in there with steels returning either side above both windows. And then as you can see, we fitted the new white UPVC windows with thermal glass. So basically what that means with thermal glass is it's keeping the heat in the winter, and then in the summer it's reflecting the heat back out. What we've done on the walls, excuse me, we have insulated all the walls all the way around, and then we put thermal board on as well, replastered the whole room as you can see, decorated everything. We fitted a new unit over there, and it's just carpeted yesterday. That's ready for the clients to enjoy. So we finished the ceiling with a white emulsion and all the walls with magnolia, and then we fitted some plastic across the windowsill so it's easy, nice wipeable. Installed a quadrant in the corner here where the two windows meet, and then that's pretty much it. I said it was carpeted yesterday, all the skirting boards have been done, a little seating area up here, the units of the storage area. We put the handrails back up for clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next TDD project. See you then.